Wish you many happy returns to the day. You are now reaching your 70s, so I pray God to give you a long, happy, healthy life along with your wife. Thank you.
ಹಾಯ್ ಸುಬ್ಬಾ, ಇದು 70ನೇ ವರ್ಷ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ನೀನು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಗುವಾಗಿರುವಾಗ ನನ್ನ ಅಮ್ಮ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮದರ್, asked me to take you to Mangalore along with her mother as a baby. We traveled by the Mangalore Mail in interclass. Interclass is something in between third class and second class. The only difference being there was a small slide cushion on the seats. At Mangalore station, your father, that is my Baba, Janardhan Baba, came to receive us. And he took us in a horse-drawn tonga to your bungalow in Kadiri Road. I cannot forget that experience because it was my first visit to Mangalore.
You are a very smiling and non-controversial person, very sportive, and you bring cheer into everybody's life.
Subbu, the very name brings in front of me the image of a smiling man. Yes, that's our Subbu, ever smiling and charming.
My sweet memories are during our childhood days that we spent both in Chennai and Mangalore. We were very kind-hearted and we got an enchanting smile.
There is only one memory I have of Dr. Subbarao, and that's always my favorite memory. The memory of his always ever smiling face. Please keep it that way, Subbana. We deeply admire and cherish your smiling demeanor always.
What I like about you, what quality that I wish I had, the always smiling face, taking leg pulling in good spirits, never getting angry with anyone, never getting irritated. The ever popular Subbu, I wish I had that quality.
The one thing which I like most about you is your smile.
I always saw you as a very calm, cool and composed person with a polished, cultured tongue. Always smiling, gentle and kind, qualities endearing to your profession as children's specialist.
And I always see you smiling and accepting everything in your life as it is, Norman.
Hello Subbarao, today is indeed a very special day as you complete 70 years of youthfulness. Chubba, as we're very affectionately called by your mother, Subbanna by a Bangal side, and off late being referred to as Dr. D.I.G. Rao Garu by your cousins group. Lucky number 13. Indeed, number 13 is your number in our group of 27 Rao cousins. Always been a role model for every one of us, be it in your behavior, your attitude, and of course, your ever infectious smile. Even when you have to say no, that infectious smile of yours says it all.
And another thing, one I always remember, is that he always sported a quiet, shy smile. He was always smiling in a shy way. One can see that even today. He was very close to all of us and we loved teasing him. But again, he was a very sportive person. He never got angry or irritated. Now that's the character that I envy most in him. His calm demeanor, his unruffled attitude. He would never get angry or irritated with anyone.
You're indeed a very, very good person, loved by all, and you have been such a great son for your parents. Maybe you are the only one person I've seen in my lifetime so far that every day in the morning does namaskaram for their parents. I've seen that when I stayed with you. I do not know any other person who has done this.
Couple of years back, on my annual visit to Mangalore, I was hit by a tentative stroke, and it was Dr. Subbarao who rushed me to Yanapaya Hospital and ensured that I got the best medical treatment, which helped them to discharge me the next day to help me return back to Chennai. Thank you, sir, for this noble deed of yours.
Now, happy memories? Yes, our happy memories are during the 2 years when we stayed in Surathkal, the Sunday visits to your house, and you used to take Rekha, me, both the boys as well as both the girls to the park, Tagore Park I think, for churmuri, and sometimes to Glance Hotel for snacks. Those were wonderful memories. My children remember them even today.
Dear Subbarao Garu, you are now stepping into 70s, a very important milestone. You are a special person, Subbu. The warmth and the pleasure of your companionship you had in 20s is still there, undiminished. I still feel very nostalgic about the good old days we had in Chennai during your vacations, during our school, college days. Our trips to Mangalore were also unforgettable thanks to you.
As a child, whenever he comes to Chennai for annual holidays, we used to have a gala time, especially in Rithadan Road Residency. He is very fond of movies, never misses one. Let it be English, Hindi or Kannada.
As a child, he was a very quiet person without throwing any tantrums or shouting or screaming. Every summer he would come to Chennai and all of us cousins used to play together, and I cannot recall even one instance when he fought with his cousins. He was such a loving person.
My sweet memories are during our childhood days that we spent both in Chennai and Mangalore.
Maybe that's the reason why so many young women in Mangalore want him to be that baby's doctor.
ಹಲೋ DIG ಸುಬ್ಬಾರಾವ್, ನಿಮ್ಮದು 70வது ಜನ್ಮದಿನ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. And I really don't know how you owe the fairer sex. They rave about you.
70 years young, this iconic individual from the city of Mangalore is a gem-studded human being. Very lovable and ever smiling. He has captivated many female patients who bring their kids to his consulting room for pediatric treatment.
Subbu is a sport. He doesn't mind being teased. He's very soft-spoken and pleasant, and mainly he's got an immense amount of patience.
A couple of times I saw your cousins bombarding and teasing you, but you seemed to enjoy the fun and obeyed their commands. That was another side of your personality.
You are a very popular person, I know, in our cousins group, and some of them rag you so much, but you don't, you're so patient with them, and you smile at them and get into their jokes. And I mean, it's so nice to see you among in a crowd. I've seen you, whatever people say, you'll be laughing and shaking your head, and whatever they ask you to do, you do it. If they ask for a drink, you give them a drink. You're like that. You're a jolly good person, and I hope your tribe increases. You better get some more grandchildren.
Subbu, let me begin by wishing you a very happy 70th birthday. I have plenty of happy memories of you, and one of which is a Euro trip pictures that you had shared in WhatsApp. I enjoyed pulling your leg on the same and could see you blushing all the while. Subbu, you have plenty of good qualities which I admire. Just to name a couple of them, you are a very genuine person and I appreciate your fitness level. I don't think you have any quality which needs to be changed, but I feel sad whenever we take you for a ride. But you clearly show us how sporting you are by taking it in the right spirit.
My most memorable time with you was on the day of my marriage. I think if you recall, only we two slept together in Vrindavan house in Madras on June 27th. I think that is an unforgettable day that I had with you, with very sweet memories. And to talk about your qualities, Baba, there are innumerable qualities. The most striking quality is your compassion and kindness and total non-interference in our business matters. That is something amazing. I think I'm ever grateful for this to you, and I take this opportunity to wish you a very happy, a very wonderful and a very joyous 70th birthday.
Hello Baba, Baba Anna, you've been the most wonderful person in my husband's family, always supportive towards me, no matter what. That's one quality I really emotionally feel a lot. Thanks a lot for all the support from you, Anna.
Hi Suparna, wish you a very happy and unforgettable 70th birthday. I know it's a very special birthday this year because you have become an achar to such a cute little boy. Suparna has always been a fantastic cousin, ever ready to lend moral support to anyone who needs it. My husband and I really cherish fond memories of the grand times we had on our European tour along with Suparna and Rajini. The one quality about Suparna that I particularly admire is the way he reaches out to people and builds a rapport with them.
You've been extremely active, not only as a very popular pediatrist in Mangalore, but also in sports and other social activities. My early remembrances of time having spent with you has been in Mangalore in the early 70s, waiting for both you and Prasad to come out of your KMC hospital at the Lighthouse Road. This would be around 6:30 in the evening, and the three of us would then whisk away to some adda, either at Balmatta or at Hampankata. My initiation into non-vegetarian food happened in Mangalore. Very clearly remember those days of chicken tikka and chicken kebab. While the two of you would down it with beverages, I would stick to pineapple juice. So dear Subba, Minnie and I take this opportunity of wishing you the very best in the years ahead. Wish you good health and happiness and all the very best. God bless. Thank you.
Subbu, this is Vani here. Happy birthday, 70th birthday, big birthday. Celebrate it with family, especially your pulli. Enjoy Madu. Keep smiling.
Subbu, all the best to you. Wish you a happy 70th birthday and wish you good health and happiness in the years to come.
Hi Subbu. Preeti joins me in wishing you a very, very happy 70th birthday. All the very best, and remember, keep on smiling.
Happy birthday, dear Subbu. Wishing you many, many, many happy returns of the day. All the very best and loads of good health, happiness and cheer. Ever smiling cousin. Stay cheerful.
Dear Subba, wish you many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with long and happy life.
It is indeed a great pleasure for me to wish you a happy birthday and many more years of good health, happiness and togetherness with your family.
Subbu, many, many happy returns of the day. A very special day, 70th birthday. Age is just a number. You're more like 55. Anyway, Rekha and I wish you a wonderful year ahead. May you enjoy every moment of the year ahead with Rajni, Varshi, Manish and your grandson Praneel.
Dear Subbu, happy birthday and many happy returns of the day. May your future be filled with joy, peace and satisfaction.
A very, very happy 70th birthday to you, Subbu. May this year ahead bring you a lot of joy and prosperity. Take care, but I'm still waiting for your party. Enjoy, Madi.
Wish you a very, very happy 70th birthday. May God bless you with good health, long life and happiness.
Dr. Subbarao, in your 70th birthday, I think it's time you give others a chance. Have a great 70th birthday, Dr. Subbarao. You will forever be our Subbu Anna. Bye-bye.
Let me end by once again wishing you a great day and a wonderful year ahead. Happy birthday from Didya and Gampu.
Let me thank you for giving me the opportunity to wish our hero of the day, pediatrician of par excellence, Dr. Subbarao, a very happy birthday and welcome to the 70th year club.
And one thing which I want you to do is travel. Travel more. Your 98% of your travel is to Bangalore. Please travel more outside other than Bangalore. Once again, wishing you a very happy birthday, dear Subbu. Namaskara.
But one quality of his, which perhaps he could change a little or perhaps tone down, is that, no offense meant of course, is that he is such a workaholic, spending so much time with his patients. So, but now let me tell you, you have reached the pinnacle of your career, you have achieved whatever you wanted to professionally. But now I think it is time to cut down and spend quality time with Rajni and your family. Have fun, enjoy life, visit new places. So, best wishes for a fantastic birthday coming from Shobha and Isha. And remember that the best is yet to come. Have a great day.
Very, very happy birthday to you on this special day. Wishing you many more years of good health and happiness.
It's high time that you start opening a bar at Janardhan Nivas to cater to the thirsty cousins who visit you occasionally. May the Almighty bless you with a long and healthy, wealthy life.
Happy birthday, Dr. Mama. We love you. Have a nice day and a great year ahead with endless happiness and success. So, we love you.
Ba, I wish you all the very best on your birthday, and then you will continue to smile as ever before in the years to come. God bless you.
70ನೇ ವರ್ಷದ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದಬ್ಬದ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ. ಗಂಡ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಖುಷಿ ಖುಷಿಲಿರಿ.
Dear Subbu,
everybody is being very nice and polite, but I'm going to be a little silly. I've made a song which is actually a remix of Kishore's song, My Name is Jaga Rao, which he sings at all the parties. I hope you don't mind if the silliness is a little extra silly. My name is Subba Rao, son of Jaga Rao. In 10 years the time I passed my BA, passed it anyhow. My name is Subba Rao. I do not like the cousins. I do not like the cousins. They are too very bad. For one man wishes and others wish, like songbirds in a row. My name is Subba Rao, son of Jaga Rao. In 10 years time I passed my BA, passed it anyhow. I do not like so many things. Many things. I do not like so many things. They are too very bad. For everything you like, there is another opposite thing. My name is Subba Rao, son of Jaga Rao. In 10 years time I passed my BA, passed it anyhow. I do not like the pancakes. I do not like the pancakes. They are too very bad. For every time I eat one, I can see a girl's face. My name is Subba Rao, son of Jaga Rao. In 10 years time I passed my BA, passed it anyhow. The next one is the extra silly one. I do not like pyjamas. I do not like pyjamas. They are too very bad. For every time I wear it on, there has to be a hard-on. My name is Subba Rao, son of Jaga Rao. In 10 years time I passed my BA, passed it anyhow. I do not like the Brahmins. I do not like the Brahmins. They are too very bad. For every time I see one, I have to give away the coins. My name is Subba Rao, son of Jaga Rao. In 10 years time I passed my BA, passed it anyhow. Dani 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 de. Dani 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 de. Happy birthday, Subbu. Wish you all the very best, very, very best. Bye.